Well, remember the big elevators at Terminal E? They're no more. Now we have these two brand new elevators here. And I bet that they're Kone. Here's your directory. Oh, it's this one. Oh yeah, they are Kone. They're not as big as I remember. Here are the new fixtures. There's the phone. We have 200 feet per minute, 5,000 pounds. There's your directory. All right, let's take it up to 4. Let's go back down to 1. Here we are back at 1. There's the baggage claim. I guess we'll try the other one. Oh, I like that. And here it is. Same as the other one. But I do miss the big elevators with the epic motors. This door's slower. 4's over here. Back down to 1. Door close does not work. And no, the cabinet is not unlocked. We are back at 1. And there it goes. And that will be it